Let's add fractions in part 4 of fraction level up series. So let's get started. Adding fractions with same denominator. 3 eighths plus 4 eighths. You can see in the visual down below that when 3 eighths and 4 eighths are combined, my answer is equal to 7 eighths. Why? Because 3 plus 4 is 7. So when denominators are same, all you need to do is to add the numerators. 1/5 plus 2/5. Again, look in the visual down below. 1/5 added to 2/5 gives us 3/5. That's all. When we add the fractions with the different denominator, the situation and the process becomes little different. So let's add 3/4, 5/8. We will depict 3/4 here. So 1/4, 2/4 and 3/4, and in the second one whole we will be showing 5/8. So these are the total 8 parts, and 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8 and 5/8. Now when I'm combining these 3/4 and these 5/8, I can easily shift these two parts over here, because this part, which is actually 2/8, actually are 1/4. So I can shift these two parts, means 2/8, to this side. So these two parts will be shifted over here, and in return I will be getting 1 whole, and over here I will be getting 3/8. So my answer for 3/4 plus 5/8 is 1 and 3/8. Now every time we do not have to show with the visual. So what would be my process? 3/4 plus 5/8. All I need to do is to make the denominator same. What is the common denominator of 4 and 8? It is 8. And how can I make 4 as 8? By multiplying it with 2. Whatever we do to the denominator, we do the same with the numerator, and 5/8 is as it is. 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8, and then you can see that these are now the fractions with the same denominator. So we just have to add the numerators. 6 plus 5 is 11, so 11/8. How we will convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction? 8 goes into 11 exactly 1 times, and then 3 parts are left. So my answer is 1 and 3/8. The same answer you got when you use the visual. The second question with the different denominators of adding fraction is 1/2 plus 2/5. Let's denote 1/2. So this is 1/2, and then this is 2/5. I need to add these two shaded parts. Now again, I will be making the denominator same. So what is the common denominator of 2 and 5? It's 10. And how can I make 1/2 with the denominator of 10? By multiplying it with 5. And 2/5 I will multiply both numerator and denominator with the 2. So 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10, plus 2 times 2 is 4, and 5 times 2 is 10. So 5 tens means I will be shading here 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens and 5 tens. Over here I will be shading 4 tens. So 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens and 4 tens. So now you count the shaded parts: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you know that 5 plus 4 is 9. So my answer is 9 tenths. Let's do one question without the help of the visual. 1/6 plus 7/12. So, what is the common denominator of 6 and 12? It's 12. Let's make the denominator of 1/6 as 12 by multiplying it with 2. Whatever I do to the denominator, the same I do with the numerator. So, 7/12 would remain as it is. 1 times 2 is 2, 6 times 2 is 12, plus 7/12. And now the denominators are same. Just add the numerators. 2 plus 7 is 9. So my answer is 9/12. But can I simplify it? Yes. The common factor of 9 and 12 is 3. So my answer is 3/4. That's easy. And that was all in today's part. Next part will be about subtracting the fractions. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.